Okay, here we go. I think it's working this time. This is an atomic 4 motor that we have made run, and came to us from Drew Curran and Steve Curran of Sailboats Unlimited. 5 out of the 8 valves on the engine were stuck open, did not work, and only one cylinder had any compression. I did a valve job on it, rebuilt the water pump, had to replace the carburetor because the carburetor was plugged up with salt and it seriously eroded, and gave them a rebuilt exchange carburetor. The motor has been run. It does run very nicely, and we hooked it up with the water flow and gasoline and ran quite nicely. And here you can see that replaced carburetor, looking really good, and the cylinder head, and all of the valves have been reground and polished, and the valve seats have been reground, and it's not hooked up to anything. It's ready to deliver, and so we can't test run it today, but you can look in there and perhaps see the serial number on the motor. 174082 looks like, and there's the universal sign. That's it.